Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to read another story that was written by the author Michael Hall, and this one is called Frankencrayon. It says, official notice. This picture book has been canceled. Please close the book and find something else to read. And it says canceled. Oh, that's weird. Let's see what the crayons are saying. I can't believe it's been canceled. It was my first starring role. It was my first supporting role. It tells us not to read it, but guess what? I'm going to read it anyway. Help! Someone just turned the page. Take my hand. Hey, someone must be reading this book. You're right. I'll talk to them. Hello there. I'm sorry to disappoint you, but this picture book has been canceled. Tell them what happened. Tell them about the scribble and don't leave anything out. Well, let's see. In the beginning, everything went according to plan. The crayons were in their costumes and I was getting them into position. So if you look down here, they all look like they're in costumes. This one says, this should be fun. I'm so excited. I hope I don't forget my lines. Frankencrayon, go to page 22. That's where you'll make your dramatic entrance just like we practiced. Right. Got it. Page 22. The story began with the frightened townspeople talking about a horrible monster lurking in their town. There's a horrible monster lurking in our town. Oh no, I'm so scared. Suddenly, without warning, the lights went out. Screech! I wonder what happened. Aye! What is it, Amber? What is it? Someone turn on the lights, please. It was a scribble. It went all the way across 2 pages. It's horrifying, hideous, horrendous. A scribble can ruin a picture book. Don't worry, we'll take a short break while the crew cleans the page. But the scribble got bigger. I think we made it worse. It's absolutely awful, appalling, atrocious. It's making a mess of our story. Cast members, we need more help. Even 4 crayons scrubbing hard couldn't stop the scribble. That didn't go well either. It's distressing, disturbing, dreadful. We need more help. Hurry, please. Do you think if we predict what's going to happen next, that the scribble's going to get worse, or do you think that the scribble will get better? Let's find out. But the scribble was out of control. It's alive! We've created a monster! Let's get out of here! The story was falling apart, and that's when the really terrible news arrived. There's notes over here. Official notice. We regret to tell you we've decided to cancel this picture book. How come? We're almost halfway done. Official notice. Because no one likes the scribble thing. The characters are gone. Isn't there supposed to be a mad scientist in this story? Yes, but I dropped the mad scientist because he was difficult. Official notice. We know you're disappointed, but we ask that you leave this book right away. Should we leave this book right away or should we keep reading? Oh, let's keep reading. I want to find out what happens. What could I do? I turned out the lights and left, and that's what happened. Look at that. Whoa! Hang on. That's not the whole story. You know what we're talking about. How you forgot to tell us. Okay, let's see. Well, I was pretty upset at the time, and in my sadness I forgot to tell Frankencrayon. So on page 22, I wonder what's on page 22. Roar! Wait! Where are the frightened townspeople? Isn't this page 22? I'll turn on the lights. Hello? Who are you? I don't think it can talk. Let's give it a mouth. Hop off. Hello, I need help moving. I'm late for an important event. Can you help me? Of course we can. It's what crayons do. I'll fix you up in a flash. Look at, they gave it a mouth and some eyes, and now it can talk. Thank you. And look, it has legs too. What a beautiful scribble. I wish it didn't have to go. Come on, let's find the frightened townspeople. Eventually, I came back to look for the costumes and found Frankencrayon eating oranges in the green room. Where is everybody? I have terrible news. We have a few things to tell you, too. I guess that's about it. We'll probably never know who scribbled on the page to begin with, but at least this has been a learning experience for us all. Right. Lesson number 1, don't forget to tell everyone when a story has been canceled. Lesson number 2, don't try to unscribble a scribble by scribbling on it. Lesson number 3, even a messy scribble can be a lovely thing. Goodbye. Screech! Wait, don't forget lesson number 4. Never drop the mad scientists from the Frankenstein story. Official notice. Mwahaha. Who do you think made that scribble that started the whole problem? Look what color this guy is. Look what color the scribble is. If you're predicting that it's probably the mad scientist, I think that you're probably right. Well, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed Michael Hall's story, Frankencrayon.